Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. First off, I want to apologize for any background noise. We are at the shop today and the boys are working. So, busy day, busy Tuesday. But as you can tell by the title, today we're talking about this thing right here. Turtle Wax Ice Seal and Shine. I've heard really good things about this product and I have reviewed Turtle Wax products before, but this is entirely new. So I wanted to bring you guys this product to the channel to kind of go over and give an honest review of. One thing I want to mention is I did find this product a couple dollars cheaper on Amazon. So don't do what I did and get it at like AutoZone or even Walmart or Meijer. Save a couple dollars, get it off Amazon. I'll include the link in the description if you guys like what you see today and want to get this. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Like the video, you guys know all that stuff. Turtle Wax Ice Seal and Shine. Without further ado, let's just get into it. Like all the reviews that I do, I want to make sure the proper prep is done and we get the best result possible out of the product. So let's wash the hood, get it clay barred, and prep for the product, shall we? Alright, so at this point I have washed and completely clayed the surface. We're going to rinse this off really quick and then get a before and after shot. Thinking about putting some tape down the middle to do a 50-50 comparison because that seems to be what I like to look at anyways as far as before and after. Alright, so this is completely uncoated. We're still going to do a comparison, but as you guys can see, we're getting a little bit of sheeting. It's actually not too bad, but it's not good. There's absolutely no beading. Ugh, let's just do it. So the 50-50 comparison, obviously we got the tape right here. Oh, that was good. And then we're gonna follow the instructions for the best result. Wash and dry car, done. We also clay barred, like I mentioned, so we did an extra step. Use on a cool surface, 2 sprays per panel. Since the hood is a huge panel, I'm gonna guess maybe 2 sprays for the entire thing. For those of you that are commenting on my other videos asking if these can be used on the wheels and glass, this one can. 1 folded microfiber to apply and then another to remove. So we got that, 2 microfibers, a cool surface, a cleaned and prepped surface. I think it's time to do it. We're actually gonna go for 3 sprays. All right, it did take a second to work in and buff out, but we are completely done as far as the application process. So this of course is the before on this side and the after on the right. I think the biggest difference we're gonna see is the water beading and sheeting. So let's give that a shot now. So that's before. As you can see, we got some slow sheeting, and then it looks like a little overspray from the actual product up there. So let's go ahead and test out the Seal and Shine. Quicker sheeting and definitely some beading, but I don't know. It's definitely not as good as the Hybrid Solution ceramic, which I've tested before. It does sheet up and leave a dry surface, which is easy for maintenance washes if you want a quick dry. So I'll give it that. There is not a lot of water left on the surface as compared to the before. So it is actually quite nice. It feels like every time I hit this again, it gets better and better for some reason.
Put a heavy coat on there.
All right, so here's the product on, completely dry after we just did that little rinse test. As you can see, shine is really good. It wasn't dull or anything to begin with, but it's definitely a solid product if you want your car looking shiny and protected with that coating, obviously. Shine on this product, I'm gonna give it a solid 7.5 out of 10 on the Kevin scale. As you guys know, I am not a professional by any means, but I try to make these reviews as common as possible and just be like the average detailer at home and how they're gonna apply this product as well. So the Turtle Wax Ice Seal and Shine was mediocre. I'd say like slightly above average as far as products that I've tested personally. Like I mentioned, I wanted to make this kind of review as realistic and as practical as possible. Not everybody's going to be doing a complete paint correction before they apply this product. So yes, wash the car, dry the car, probably wash it again, and then clay bar. That's what we did today, and we saw, like I said, probably 7 out of 10 results. Overall, I mean, ease of application, probably a 7 out of 10 as well, as far as like easiness. It is an SiO2 product, so it's a little tough to work in, but I've had easier applications, especially with, like I keep mentioning, the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solution Ceramic. If you guys want to see that review video, link will be in the description or on the screen, probably both. And we followed the same steps as we did today in that video. So like I said, wash, clay bar, application, and review. If you guys did enjoy this video or want to pick up this product, link to this product will be in the description if you guys want to pick it up. It is a good product, so I recommend it if you're trying to get a couple months of protection and you don't want to do like a wax or anything like that. For a couple bucks more, like I keep mentioning, that Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions is really good as well. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and until next time, see you guys.